Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manoj sir. So today I am going to show you our school. As you know that due to COVID situation, your school is closed and you are missing your school so much. So if you visit first time my channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. So students, let's start the video and I will show you every corner of our school. This is our school. Raining. I think you are missing your school. So students, through this video I want to show you the environment of our school at this time. So and also I think you are missing this place, this step, because all of you are come here and waste your time. So thank you children.